Welcome. I'm Mark Adams, a real estate broker licensed in the state of Oregon with Better Homes and Gardens Real Estate. And today we're on one of my farm listings just outside of Molalla, Oregon. And I'm going to take you on a short virtual walk around the property to start from the entrance to the property, the private road going up to the barns that you can see behind me. And then after that, we're going to go down. You can see the trees that are in the distance down there. And just beyond that is the Molalla River. This property has 300 feet of river frontage that you can enjoy. Current owners love to go out there and fish. That's a beautiful part of the property. And then after we do that, I'm going to go over where the irrigation equipment sits. The pump sits down into the Molalla River. That's where the water comes from. And by the way, this does have water rights for all 53 acres of the property. We'll take a look at the equipment itself, the underground irrigation lines that run all the way down, the water canyon that's sitting down here. So this both has the water rights to irrigate the entire property as well as the equipment that's already in place. Now earlier I mentioned that this is a farm and it's currently being farmed. In fact, the owner is out there right now on his equipment. But this is an ideal property if you have if you're looking for an equestrian property. This is a beautiful area. You've got plenty of space. You've got some buildings in place that would be very supportive of that. But it's great for raising of farm or ranch animals. Where we are out on South Dickey Prairie, this is a great location if you have a small vineyard and you want to have a tasting room and facilities that support that, or a cider business with the same thing. You want a tasting room and some facilities that will support that business. This is perfect for it, and I can tell you that you can get that licensing through Clackamas County, and but we can talk about that a little bit later. So once again, there's more information that's on my website. The link to my website is below, and that is www.mwadamsrealestategroup.com. Go there, you'll see the drone video, great video looking at the property overhead, as well as all of the information, the particulars that you need about the property. And then additionally, much of the equipment that the current owner has, he's selling that, and there's a list of that equipment along with the pricing, so you can download that. And then the last thing I'd like to say is I'd love to have you come out and take a look at this. It's absolutely beautiful out here. You will fall in love with it, I can guarantee you that. We've got an all-terrain vehicle that we've got here on the property, so we just have people come out, park the car at the barn. We'll take you on a tour of the property, and then ask me any questions that you want. I've got all the documentation that you'll need to do your own due diligence. But nonetheless, I'd love to have you come out and take a look at it. So, enough said. I'd like you to come along with me today and take a little look. So, let's go walk around the property.